Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need admin rights and a backup of any virtual machines before you begin. First, shut down or export running VMs so you won't lose data. Next, open Windows Features or PowerShell as administrator to check if the Hyper-V role is present. Once done, decide whether you prefer a GUI or command approach. Both reach the same result. Make sure virtualization-dependent software is closed so services can stop cleanly. Now you are ready to actually disable Hyper-V. You can remove Hyper-V via Windows Features. Uncheck Hyper-V and restart the PC. That handles GUI removal. Alternatively, run PowerShell. Disable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V All, and then reboot. This is faster for scripted workflows. For cases where Hyper-V still intercepts virtualization, use bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type off and then restart to prevent the hypervisor from launching at boot. After reboot, confirm with systeminfo. After restarting, verify the hypervisor is disabled using systeminfo or msinfo32. You should see Hyper-V, no or virtualization listed as disabled. If you need WSL2 or another hypervisor later, re-enable the feature or set hypervisor launch type to auto. If Hyper-V appears active despite steps, make sure Device Guard, Credential Guard, or virtualization-based security are off. Also check Secure Boot and BIOS/UEFI virtualization settings. If problems persist, reboot into firmware to toggle virtualization.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.